Hi, this session we will see how to create the foreign key relationship. Uh, Thank you for my new subscribers and subscribe my channel. Foreign key relationship is foreign keys link data in one table to the data in another table. So let's see how to create the foreign key. Now go to the transaction code SC11. Now create the value table. Value table means foreign key table. So create the value table. Delivery class A. Data browser display maintenance allowed. Save it. Local object. Go to technical settings. Data class is appl0. Size category 0. Save it. Go back. Go to fields. I can give the fields name MINDT. MINDT is already available. So I will give MINDT and you can give name. Name is a key field and another one is department. Department is not a key field, okay, because we also created the check table. Department is not a key field, okay. Save it. Go to extras. Enhancement category can be enhanced deep copy. Now we can activate it. Yes, my table was activated. Now I am create the table contents. Go to utilities, table contents, create entries. Um, Saran, department is Tamil. Save it. Sathya, department is English. Save it. Okay. Now I am creator two contents. Okay. Go to contents, execute it. Yeah. Saran and Satya, which I have created the two contents in the value table. Now activate the table. Now you can create the check table. This is the value table and the value table is created and activated and the two contents is created. Now I'm created the check table, okay. The value table is created. Now go to create the check table, okay. Delivery class A, display maintenance allowed. Save it. Local object, technical settings. Go to data class. Data class is appl0. Size category 0. Save it. Go back. Now I can give the field names. MIDT. MIDT is already created. Yeah. Save it. And 1 minute. Go to extras. Enhancement category. Can be enhanced today. Yeah. Now my table. Now my check table was activated. Go back. This is my value table. Okay. The value table non-key field is a department. This key field I will make the foreign key relationship. Now the same field I will link the check table. Okay. Now go to the check table. The department is a field which I will link the data for the foreign key. Enter, and this is the key field. Don't forget the check table key field is department. Okay, but the foreign key table, the department is a non-key field. Okay, department is a non-key field. Now I create the activate my table. My table was activated. Now go to utilities, table contents, create entries, department, Tamil, English, maths, science. I saved for a department. Okay, Tamil, English, maths, science. Go back, activate it. Once check contents, execute it. I will save for department names. Okay. Now go to the value table. Now I will make the foreign key relationship for the department field. Okay. Choose the department field. I will select this symbol. Okay, this is the foreign key. Choose it. Check table name is Z check table. Generate the proposal, which I have created the fields available for the table. The fields is the fields is there. Now click copy. Yeah, foreign key value table department was transferred. Now activate the table. Okay, my table was activated. Now go to utilities, table contents, create entries. Okay, the name is Satish. Department. In check table, we have created the four departments. One is Tamil, another one is English, another one is Maths, and another one is Science. In social, I can't save the name for the check table, the department name. Okay. Now I put out the name for the social. Save it. Now you can get the message like that entry social does not exist. Z check table check entry. This is the foreign key relationship. Okay, which record is already available in the second table. The record only matches for the value table. You can choose science. Try to save it. Sorry. Try to max. Yes, because the max is available for the check table. Which record is already available for the check table? The same record only successfully created database record was successfully created message you can get the value table. Yeah, this is the foreign key relationship. Foreign key is nothing but this is a foreign key is link data in one table to the data in another table. That's it. This is the way how to create the foreign key relationship. And next we will see other topics. And thank you for my new subscribers. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.